Uy, Francis, pwede ba mo ito ibigay mo, ma'am? Sige po. Ito po, ma'am. Akin to, ma'am.
Ay, Francis.
Ano ba?
Ba't sinulat mo yung pangalan mo sa project ni Ron yan?
Akin yun.
Pero yun eh.
I-define these keepers.
Ano? Dapat maging honest ka kay ma'am.
Ah, bahala lang yan.
Ito ang mga pangalan ng nakapasa sa proyekto. Si Francis at si Miley. Sa iba, ipasa niya
Ma'am, nasaan aking project?
wala ka pong project dito.
Ma'am, ibinigay po ko ni Francis.
Francis, aso yung project ni Ron yan?
Ah, wala. Akin lang yun, ma'am.
Ma'am, nakita ko po si Francis. Nalitan niya ng pangalan yung project niya.
Hindi po yung totoo, ma'am.
Ma'am, nagsasabi po ako na totoo. Ito po yung project ni Ito po yun, ma'am. Ah? Yan po. Wala pong pangalan.
Merong pangalan sa baba ng papel, ma'am.
Roniel.
Sorry po, ma'am.
Pumunta ka sa office mamaya.
Sige po, ma'am. Oo. Let us welcome your new classmate. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Isabel, but you can call me Belle for short.
Okay, you may take a seat over there in front of Junior. Junior! Junior and Ivan, go to the guidance office now. Are you all right here?
Yes, I'm okay.
What's the matter behind?
Okay.
What's the matter at the back?
Okay. Are you crazy? So ugly.
Michael, what do you think you're doing?
Nothing.
I can confiscate your phone for a week, and I can tell your parents what you just did.
I'm sorry, Mom. I will never do it again. Please don't tell my parents.
Then I can. Okay, ikaw na. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, sige, 1, 2, 3, go. Ikaw una. We all make mistakes.
We all make mistakes.
We are not perfect. So try to avoid mistakes.
Wala. Ako man ni.
To prevent
Consequences.
To prevent consequences.
Therefore, our mistakes have consequences.
Thank you. Wala to, sir. Wala mo ito klaro eh.
Wala klaro.
Ang sitwasyon na ito ay may isang bata na narurong sa online games at napabayaan niya ang
So class, that call for today. Sa muntik ko makalimutan, may test tayo bukas. Na so be ready, mag-aral kayo mabuti ha.
Class dismissed.
Narito naman ko. So, start doing your test.
Uy, kaya. Story is, dapat tayo mag-aral ng mabuti para makakuha tayo ng malaking marka. And we should iwasan natin ang paggamit ng cellphone dahil magkakuha ka ng small marka. Amen.
Kami po ay ang group 5 and our situation is umiinom ng soft drinks si Henry araw-araw bago kumain. Okay, let's start.
Pabili po ng soft drinks. Kahit ano. Ito po yung bayad. Pabili ulit. At saka pabili ulit.
Grabe.
Meron pa bang soft drinks?
Wala po.
Pabili po ng soft drinks.
Ano po yun?
Pabili ng soft drinks.
Ilan?
Isa. Chip! Hawa na yung chip!
1 year later.
Hindi ka na namin pinapayagan bumili ng soft drinks kasi baka magkasakit ka.
And the moral lesson is we should eat first and drink soft drinks, and we must minimize drinking soft drinks. And that's all. Thank you for listening.